I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to stir-fry noodles. First, let's talk about preparation. Selecting the right noodles is key. Fresh egg noodles or lo mein work wonderfully. Always prepare all your ingredients, known as mise en place, before you even turn on the heat. This means washing, chopping, and having everything ready. Cut your vegetables and protein into uniform, bite-sized pieces to ensure they cook evenly and quickly. This organized approach makes the cooking process much smoother. Now let's get cooking. The secret to a great stir-fry is a very hot wok or large skillet. Add a tablespoon of oil once it's smoking. Begin by cooking your protein like chicken or beef until it's almost done, then remove it from the pan. This prevents overcooking and allows the wok to maintain its high heat. Next, add your vegetables, starting with harder ones like carrots and broccoli, then softer ones such as bell peppers and mushrooms. Keep everything moving constantly. The sauce is where the magic happens. Always mix your stir-fry sauce ingredients, like soy sauce, ginger, and cornstarch, in a bowl beforehand. This saves time and ensures a smooth, well-combined flavor. Once your vegetables are crisp tender, return the cooked protein to the wok. Then, add your pre-cooked noodles and pour in the sauce. Toss everything quickly and continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring every strand of noodle and every piece of ingredient is beautifully coated. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Transfer your stir-fry noodles to serving bowls. For an extra touch of freshness and visual appeal, garnish with some chopped green onions, fresh cilantro, or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Remember, stir-fries are best served immediately to savor their vibrant flavors and crisp textures. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker mentioned in the third bullet point. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.